Welcome to our comparison of two popular compact dryers, the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 and the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and user experiences to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Both the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 and the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer offer 4 drying modes. The BLACK+DECKER features air dry, cool, warm, and hot settings, making it versatile for various drying needs. In contrast, the Euhomy includes an intelligent mode that adjusts drying time based on moisture levels, providing an extra layer of convenience for users. When it comes to load capacity, the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 can handle up to 13.2 pounds, making it suitable for smaller laundry loads. On the other hand, the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer boasts a larger capacity of 26.4 pounds, allowing you to dry more clothes in one go, which is ideal for larger households or heavier laundry days. The BLACK+DECKER BCED37 is praised for its lightweight design and straightforward operation, making it easy to move and use in tight spaces. In contrast, the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer, while slightly heavier, offers advanced features like an LCD control panel and a flip function for even drying, enhancing the overall user experience. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 and the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer have their unique strengths. If you prioritize portability and simplicity, the BLACK+DECKER is a great choice. However, if you need advanced features and a larger capacity, the Euhomy may be the better option for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.